god, you guys should join. Yay, go AlligatorZone.
Commercial.
This is gonna be...
No, seriously, what part did you like? What did you enjoy? What did you not like?
In this class, there are many stuff to enjoy. For example, there are many exciting games to play, and you also get to create your own cash flow sheet, which I have here. And then you guys also can create a blog on Medium, and you guys create your own speeches that you present to class. That was also fun.
You enjoyed it?
Yep. That was the best part.
Okay. You like the blog the best?
Yep.
Alright, thanks.
So my favorite part about AlligatorZone was Medium and using Trello, because they allowed you to interact with our teacher, Mr. Amish, and he showed us new ideas, new concepts for entrepreneurship, and like throughout activities and fun games, we were able to increase our knowledge about entrepreneurship and help us hopefully start a business one day.
What was the most fun part for you?
For me, the most fun part would either be the blog on Medium or the Kahoot we do.
Alright, thank you.
My favorite part about AlligatorZone was learning about the different aspects of business and how business is integrated into our lives, and also how to start a business of our own and the different problems that you might run into.
And the fun part on any of the...
The part that I liked the best would be the game we played today with our own startup business and the different situations that we went through.
Well, thank you.